right, there's Ovi.
Yo,
What's up, dude? What are you doing?
Man, checking in at the airport. Just got done praise and worship at church. Can't go wrong.
Have you been on? Hey, have you been on a mission trip before?
Mexico. No.
Wait, this is
Africa.
Mexico.
This is the
Africa.
Mexico.
Yeah, I always confuse Africa with Mexico. It's done all the time.
On a mission trip to Africa. Yeah.
Okay, those are country bumpkins. Hey guys, what are you talking about? You talking about bush hogging?
We're talking about you, man.
About me almost losing my phone.
You guys talking about bush hogging or what? You're our country bumpkins.
Thank you, man.
You got it. That is a compliment. In the South, that's a compliment. And you too, are you ready?
Yes, very excited. First mission trip.
First one ever?
First one ever.
How about you?
No, I went to Africa.
You went to Africa also? Oh, did you see Ovi there? He was out there.
No.
Yeah, he thought it was Mexico, but he was there.
He thought he was in the wrong.
No, like last year.
Awesome. Hey, fearless leader, what's up?
Good to be here.
All right, you ready?
Another great trip. Looking forward to it.
Can't wait. Uh-oh, Joe's in trouble. Look at it, he's getting frisked.
That's awesome.
Unbelievable. Oh, he's looking everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. What? He's tucking his shirt back in for him. Is he dressed? Hey, Joe, is he dressing you? Is he helping you get dressed? That's awesome. Look at that.
You don't have to explain anymore.
Turn to the right and cough. Just cough a little bit. Oh, wow. That is a long search. What's he looking for? Repeat. Say the alphabet. Can you walk this line? Walk the line and say the alphabet backwards. Nice. Oh my gosh. This just keeps going. That dude is checking loops. Look, what? Oh. What? This is unheard of. I have never seen that before. That is unheard of. This can. What is he? What? I have never seen this guy's ever. Oh my gosh! Private area. Private area. What?
Because I had belt on it for each.
It's got to be the mustache. Look at this. They are all over him. With the magic wand and everything. Guys, this is the longest pat down I've ever seen in the history of me flying. Wow. Joe is such a good sport. Look at him. Look at him. That's great. How do you feel? Are you gonna?
I don't know.
Joe, do you feel violated? Do you need therapy? Do we need to get?
I tell you what, I just feel like I went on a date. So,
Well, if you look in your right pocket, his phone number's in there.
I'm telling you, I can tell you this. You don't want to be that number guy that they say, we're going to pat this guy down. But that's what I just feel like I won the lottery.
Well, so I don't have to book the massage for you?
Well, I think what I need is therapy.
Yeah, he
Sounded
wasn't.
like he had something else
He had
to say.
Have yourself a great day. Oh, I almost said Disneyland. Did you? This dude's on the microphone like he's a radio DJ, and it's pretty funny because he's not. Serious, and it's like, hey, somebody's lost a pair of glasses. I'm like, dude, that's how we would do it when we're making fun of radio DJs. No, do it, buddy, do it. Come on, give it to me. Ashley, come on. Oh,
Ashley's like,
he nailed
like that
it.
frog. Hello, my baby.
I know. All right, dance for me. Ribbit. Hey, Ovi.
Yes.
You're running out of food?
Yeah, man. I'm on.
What do you got, the Garden of Eden over there?
Well, I mean,
you had an apple this morning.
I only got enough to get to Atlanta.
Who told you to eat that? A snake?
No, the apple's done gone. See, it's still right here.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Here's a review of my sandwich at the airport. How much was this? Like 12 bucks or something?
Minimum.
Imagine if I made this sandwich on the show. You guys would rip me a new one. Look at that. Okay, everybody. Only use enough meat to cover half the sandwich. And do me a favor, get the lettuce that's wilted and browning, because that's the more nutritious lettuce. Hey guys, okay, so we had a slight detour. We're not going Atlanta to Guanajuato. We've been waiting all day for flights. Been missing them. So we're going to Mexico City for the night. Then we're immediately hopping over to Guanajuato to get working on the church. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is what I have to eat. I have pretzels, Milky Way, and a block of bread. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, that is like solid bread. A little bit of ham and cheese. So I'm gonna eat the ham and cheese and the pretzels. But look at this. I am impressed because they have Truvia. Look. That's right. Coffee, Truvia, and creamer. Mason, you sitting?
Yeah, I'm sitting.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're here to eat. Haven't had food in over 24 hours. Haven't had a meal. Okay, guys, look at this. Onborns. Since 1903. Wow.
That's
beautiful. All right, here's the menu. Let's take a look at it. Okay, oh, it's in English too. I love them. All right, here's your starters. A fruit cocktail. Gazpacho. Ceviche. $83.
Christian, you know who you listen to?
Wait a minute. Dude, how many does that feed? Dude, ceviche is $83.
I fixed that selection on the radio. No, it's quite.
Oh, we didn't transfer. Oh, that's it. Sorry, guys. I'm running on empty. All right, so this is in pesos. How much is 83 pesos? 17 to 1, right?
Like $4.
How much?
A little bit more than $4.
Nice. Oh, thank you.
100 pesos is $4.
I'm still doing 20. Like 20 pesos is $1, but like it's changed.
All right, here's our meat and chicken. Look at that. Thinly sliced steak.
It's really
Filet mignon. Yum.
We can pull the table and get up with you and Obi.
Yeah, bring it on.
Pull the table over.
Okay.
That way you and Obi can sit.
It's so hard to film when the. Okay, guys. So I ordered ceviche, and Brad ordered exactly what I did. I did papitos and ceviche. I'm having papitos with skirt steak. I don't know what any of that is. I mean, I do. I love ceviche, but I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I didn't see a picture, so let's see how awesome she's so sweet, so kind.
Oh, it comes with queso already. No,
spinach and cheese.
That's Ashley.
Okay, and then mushrooms.
Ashley trying to order in Spanish.
Mushrooms is right beside cheese. 78 is mushrooms.
Ashley, say it in Spanish, dude. Say it in Spanish. Help.
That's how you do it.
That's right. Dude, keep your finger out. I'll break your finger, don't. I will break that finger. Don't even yet that one. All right, guys, look at this.
Catch it.
All right, this is it. Ceviche. Oh, what is this?
Crackers. Salty crackers.
Oh, I don't need that. I'll be eating that.
You eat it with the crackers.
Yeah, go ahead. It's amazing. Make sure you get the juice, okay? Go deep in there. That's the best part. Look at this. Look at this. You're like my son. You take a big, huge hunkin' bite. Ready? Look at me. Tell me that's not amazing.
El delicioso.
What? Never, yeah, dude. You got a little something right on your lip there. Okay, I love food, especially when you haven't eaten in 24 hours. All right, that's the best ceviche I've ever had. My lips are burning. That citrus is just booming. It's awesome. Everybody at the table tried it, and it's really good. Congratulations to you guys for making such an amazing ceviche. All right, so spicy pork torta, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I wasn't recording. Now I'm recording because it looks so good. All right, and then what do you got here?
Crepes.
Crepes?
Strawberries and cream.
So beautiful.
Some blueberries. I think that's peaches. Looks
Nice.
good.
Forgive me if I reach over with the camera. Hey, I know you stuff in your face, dude. Look at you. You're in heaven. His eyes are opening up again. All right, what's that right there? Is that crepe salsa?
See.
Oh. All right, and that's what it sounds like when you're clearing your throat. Did you get that? Was that you? Who was that?
There's a guy over here.
He was choking on a
He
fish
just
bone.
came in.
It was excellent. It was phenomenal. I mean, we couldn't get enough of everything on the menu.
No, we tried,
Literally.
didn't we?
We tried.
Come on, dude. How was it?
Oh, it was delicious.
Yeah?
Unbelievable. Unforgettable.
So good that you got your own ceviche,
This is
right?
my fourth plate.
Fourth
Ceviche
plate.
all the way.
All right. How was it, man?
Dude, I could take one more, but I'm not going to.
Well, how many sandwiches do you have?
I had two.
2 sandwiches, anything else?
No.
Nope. So you could have gone for a third sandwich? You rock. What'd you have? Tell them. Run it down.
And the new heavyweight
Grapes.
champion of eating,
Grapes.
Obi.
Skirt steak with eggs,
First steak with eggs,
sunny side up,
sunny side up.
with nachos and queso,
Nachos, queso?
and then I topped it off with a pork sandwich.
A pork sandwich.
pork sandwich.
Dude, you ordered 3 meals. You know that.
Well, one
dude,
for
you're
me.
my new hero. You're my new hero. Joey, how is it?
It was good, man. It was over too fast.
Yeah, look at you. You got nothing on there, dude. You can eat whatever
I'm
you
working
want.
I'm working on it.
Ah, you can take some of mine.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're in the room right now.
Oh, we got a remote.
We got a remote?
Yes.
Does it work? Oh, for the air conditioner.
Yeah.
Okay, so the reason why Mason's all excited, we couldn't figure out how to turn on the air conditioner. We had one of those, and we had to get up there. He's pushing the buttons and everything. Bottled water. You brush your teeth with bottled water in Mexico. You do not rinse with tap water. You don't do ice. Just letting you guys know if you've never been to Mexico. That's, whoops. Oh, look. A makeup mirror. Let's see what it looks like. Hello. How you doing? All right, and I'm not sure about these glass doors. That's the bathroom door right there. That was at the other place we're at too. They do these. They look like shower doors. So you're like, oh, I'm gonna get in the shower, and it's a toilet. You're like, oh, okay. So this toilet. It looks like we get to flush here. All right, quick observation. This bathroom door has no lock. Just swings freely, and then somebody just pulls it, and whoa, hey, sorry, didn't interrupt you. My bad. Okay, guys, so we just got to the Wyndham Garden, and you saw my room. We are still running on. We're still running on 3 hours sleep.
Still 3 hours.
3 hours sleep. Not bad because we finally got food. Hadn't eaten food. None of us had food, like a real meal, for like 24 hours because of all the travel mess ups. But we're all better now. We're in better spirits. And so now we're going to go over to the church, right? Okay, so we just arrived at the church they're working on, and everybody's greeting us. They have already prepared a meal for us, and nothing but hospitality from the people that live here. They're just awesome. So let me show you around. Here we go. So here's all the pews from the church. This is the downstairs area. This is where they do their worship. And they have tables set up, and what a beautiful, beautiful setup. So all these blocks are gonna go up the stairs, right? All these blocks are going upstairs, and then we're gonna build the walls upstairs on the second or third floor? Second floor, right up there. So we're gonna be doing the block all around, right?
Come all the way.
Oh.
Come all the way to right here.
Okay. All the way to right here?
Yeah. To here.
Can I hop in here real quick? Sorry. I just want to get before pictures of everything.
Doing that finish so we can paint it.
What?
So we're painting this room? Well,
Probably those
it
two
looks
walls
like
right
it.
now.
Looks like-
Okay, and then here's another classroom. I'm gonna do a 360 real quick. I'm gonna lean out and show you what the alleyway looks like. This is the alleyway. And this is church for all the people that live in this area. And then that's the other end down there. Okay guys, so I don't know if we're gonna be doing it in the alley or we're gonna find a local spot, but we're gonna have a bunch of inflatables, and they're gonna be here for kids and moms to enjoy, and we're doing an outreach, and we got all these fun stuff to give out and just love on these people. So anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs right now, and I'll show you what some of the food that they prepared looks like. What do we got here? Can I
Moly.
film? Can I film? Thank you. Oh my goodness, look at that. Is
Moly.
that mole? Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. All homemade. Look at this, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. And what are these right here?
Milanesas.
Oh, milanesas.
Milanesa.
Okay, and in English, what is that called?
I don't know.
Oh, milanesas in English, right?
It's the beef with bread.
Oh, it's
you
beef?
know? Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's like a chicken fried steak. Chicken fried steak.
Yeah.
Got it. Look how beautiful.
Thank
Look at all
you.
the vegetables and the rice. I'm a big fan of mole. And I just lick my fingers and it's got a good kick to it. There ain't no Mexican restaurant like homemade ever. Mmm. Dude, you're so funny. Okay, I wanna talk about this. Ricky, come here, man. You pointed this out to me. What? Nice and loud now. What did you just say about the drum set?
Well, it's very well used.
Yeah, I mean,
And,
seriously. Let's talk about this.
Man, I think we could probably maybe get them a replacement drum.
A replacement drum would cost nothing out here.
Yeah, right. And they probably would be thrilled to have it.
It would be like the biggest gift ever.
And the worship music would be glorious.
I know. And then look at this.
Yeah.
I mean, you know how many men I know that have that just in their
Man, we
pocket?
got people they sitting out there in the garage collecting dust.
I know.
They don't ever use anymore.
So anyway, I just noticed this breaks my heart because they're working with this and making glorious music.
Glorious music of the Lord.
And there's so many people in the world that could help them out right here. Just by a basic need of a drum and another drum. I don't even know that was a snare right there. Hey guys, okay, so it's the end of another day 2, and we're still only 3 hours sleep. We're all delirious. So, oh no, you don't believe me? Hold on. All right, this is the Motley Crue. Look, there's that. And then there's those guys. They're all just like they're all out of it. We're all beat. So, we're ordering pizza, right? We're ordering pizza? Alright, so I totally chowed down and I didn't even show you guys this. I'm sorry. I'm such a pig. Once again, deliriously on 3 hours sleep. So these are smokes. They're well done. They're awesome. The hot sauce is just Tabasco sauce. So anyway, they came out good though. They're really, really tasty. Okay, so the best one on the table is Brad and Ashley's. Did you get a Supreme or something? Vegetarian. Alright guys, so here's the deal. I hated that pizza. I didn't like it. I don't like pizza that tastes like it was cooked on crackers. It was crispy, thin. The edges were kind of burnt. Double pepperoni, and it was just kind of single pepperoni. Nothing. I don't know. I'm not in. But some of you like that thin crispy. If you like thin crispy, go to this place. All right. But if not, I don't know what to say. If you like a little bit of crust, a little doughy, if you like a little substance, I like thin, but not cracker, crispy, burnt thin. All right, anyway, I'm rambling. I am so tired. It's been a long day, and I think we're crashing now. I don't know, unless the guys call me, and then we're gonna go out and walk and check out the place. But in the meantime, there you go. I'll see you on the next episode.